Good morning, everyone. Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
So today, me and Daniela are going to be talking about animals
Animals.
and the sounds that they make. Good job. So, Anila, what sound does a monkey make? Good job. Good job. What does a lion say? Good job. What sound does a cow make?
Moo.
What about a sheep?
Ba ba.
What about a chicken?
They say eat.
What? No, we're not eating chicken, baby. What sound does a chicken make? What about a rooster?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yes, great job. Let's see. What else? What does a snake do? Oh, good job. Let's see. What about a doggy?
Woof woof.
And a cat?
Meow meow.
What about what other animals can you think about?
I guess duck.
What does a duck say?
Quack 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 quack.
Good job. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can you say goodbye to everybody?
Bye everybody.
Hold on, can you wave? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Okay, now you can press the button.
No.